Welcome to Lesson 1. Today we're learning the basics of ZSH, the default shell on macOS. By the end of this lesson, you'll run your first commands and know how to get help. So what exactly is a shell? Think of it as a translator between you and your computer. You type commands in text, the shell interprets them, and the computer executes them. It's called a shell because it wraps around the operating system's core. Now, terminal versus shell. What's the difference? The terminal is the window application you see. It's just the display. The shell is the program running inside that interprets your commands. Examples of shells include ZSH, Bash, Fish, and others. macOS uses ZSH by default. Why does macOS use ZSH? Apple switched from Bash to ZSH in macOS Catalina, released in 2019. ZSH offers powerful auto-completion. It can suggest commands and paths as you type. You can customize the prompt to show useful information. It has a rich command history and plug-in ecosystem, like whoami ZSH. And best of all, it's mostly compatible with Bash scripts. How do you open the terminal on macOS? The fastest way is Spotlight. Press Command plus space, type terminal, and hit Enter. Alternatively, open Finder, go to Applications, then Utilities, and double-click Terminal. Either method opens the same terminal app where ZSH runs. When Terminal opens, you'll see a prompt. Let's break it down. First is your username. That's who you're logged in as. The @ symbol separates username from hostname. The hostname is your Mac's name on the network. The tilde represents your home directory. Finally, the % means ZSH is ready for your input. The blinking cursor shows where you'll type. Let's run our first commands. Whoami shows your username. Date shows the current date and time. Cal displays this month's calendar. Echo prints text to the screen. You can echo any message you want. Echo can even do math. The shell variable confirms we are using ZSH. How do you get help on a command? Man shows the manual. We piped ahead to see just the first lines. This shows the name, synopsis, and description of ls. Whatis gives a quick, one-line description of any command. Now you know how to get help. Lesson 1 complete. Let's recap. A shell is a command interpreter. The terminal is the window app. ZSH has been the macOS default since Catalina. Use man or help to learn about any command. Next lesson, navigating the file system with CD, PWD, and ls. Congratulations! You completed Lesson 1. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson where we navigate the file system.